and it's one of their strengths. So I thought in the first half we fought, we did some good things. They had a run right at the end of the second quarter that gave them the cushion and then we got hit hard to start the third. And the way they shoot the three, they can get on those runs quick, and they did. And so I thought the rebounding was good. I knew it was going to be a tough game, because of where we were in terms of our travel. And you can't make mistakes against them. They're going to make you pay.
That's about as long as a back-to-back as you'll ever have. How much of an effect do you think it had?
For us, I want it to be the mental toughness that you have, that you can overcome whatever your circumstances are. So the first half, I thought we got off to a good start. The first quarter, thought we played well. The second quarter, as I mentioned, I thought that the last 28 was a problem. And then closing the quarter is important. And then the start of the third, they hit us hard. And we had a couple of tough shots, a breakdown and an open three. And now once it gets above 10, you can't be slow getting back. And so it snowballed.
We talked about their second unit before the game. They hit on 9 of their first 10 shots off the bench tonight. I mean, showing they've got some strength there.
Yeah, we talked about Iguodala and Livingston and West and what they bring, and I think McGee's doing a good job for them as well. And then you're usually going to deal with Curry being out there or Thompson with that group. So they have good quality depth. Those guys have been around. Their experience shows, and they play very unselfishly. I think that they hit. Everyone makes the extra pass. No one holds on to it, and that's what makes them so good. And they play great defense on top of it.
Did you see much of the mental toughness you hope to see?
Well, it's still, we're learning, we're building. For us, the thing has to be improvement, and we just talked about that. I thought in the first quarter we started off, there were a lot of good things, but again, the challenge is to be a 48-minute team, and you got to bring toughness on the road. So you have to bring a defensive mindset in order to win in a place like this. It's got to be nasty from start to finish.